In this how-to video you will learn how to create, manage, and sell digital products and downloads with Omnibasis. Digital products and downloads are part of Ecommerce, which is the best e-commerce platform to build and grow your business with no monthly fees. Omnibasis has all you need to power your online e-commerce presence with a full-featured solution enabling anyone to set up and manage an online store, take payments, and manage orders. In this tutorial, we will create a digital download as a product, purchase it as a customer, and download it as a customer for our enjoyment. Whether you are already selling a physical product or are thinking about adding the option of adding a digital download product, you can boost your bottom line. Use digital downloads as a free giveaway towards growing an audience, acquiring new customers, and eventually, building a profitable website. These products often come in the form of downloadable or digital files, such as MP3s, PDFs, videos, plugins, and templates. First, let's walk through the quick and easy digital product setup in the Omnibasis. Once we set up digital products, customers will be able to purchase digital products and download right from your online store. A digital download is like a product which you do not ship, but deliver digitally via a link to download. It contains all the related pricing rules, specific promotions rules, and any media like images, videos, documents associated with the product. You can add digital download links to any existing product or create new, no limits. Your downloads are associated with a pricing rule. You can have as many files associated as you want. To create or manage existing digital download product, navigate to Omnicommerce, manage catalog, products, and click Create to create new product. 1. Navigate to product section. 2. Enter a name. 3. Optionally you can configure other product identifications, like SKU, brand, unique identifier. 4. Provide short description about the product. It will appear on the product list. 5. Provide an optional, full product description. It will appear on the product details page. 6. Enter an optional tax code if you want to match to a specific tax rate for this product and using one of the tax providers. 7. Use labels to help you group the product by different labels and search for products in your store. 8. Use search optimization fields to make sure your digital product correctly appears in the search result. Next step is to upload a product image to help to showcase your product. 1. Navigate to Media Files section. 2. Upload one or more images, videos, etc. These are shown on the product page of your online store. You can use media files to upload a sample of your digital download, for example. Finally, we will configure digital product pricing rules and upload download files. Pricing rules defines rules on how you charge for a digital download and how your customer can access it. Each digital product is defined by one or more pricing rule associated with it. A pricing rule contains information regarding the pricing and rules, like expiration, number of downloads, etc. In addition, you can associate your download with a pricing rule. Note, if you want to support pricing rules in or more currencies, please make sure those currencies are defined before you create new pricing rule. Navigate to Pricing Rules section. Click Create to create a new rule. Click Add Price to add shared price you created before. Select Edit from drop-down option menu next to the status on the list to edit an existing rule. 1. Use Configure section to give a custom name to a price or set a status. 2. Navigate to Rules section to manage pricing rules and downloads. 3. Select Type, Digital Downloads. 4. If you want your download link to expire, set time the download expire with expire field. Some countries do not allow expiration. 5. Configure maximum number of downloads, if any. A download limit controls the number of times that a customer can download a digital product. 6. If you select Email Download Link on Order Invoice, then the customer receives email with details on how to download the file. 7. If you select Display Download Link on Order Invoice, Then the customer sees a Download Now link on the order confirmation page. 8. If you select Login is required to access downloads, then the customer is required to log in to access downloads. 9. Enter currency amount for the digital download purchase and select currency. Note: when digital download is sold, the download link is a secret and only known to the customer. You can always resend the link if needed. Optionally, you can connect your digital product sales to ledger accounts to keep account of sales and aid your business in accounting. Navigate to sales information and purchase information to enter accounting details if desired. Next, we will configure digital product download files. You can have one or more files associated with a digital product for a download. Navigate to Digital Download section in Pricing Rule to manage download files. You can upload a new file or select an existing uploads. Only secure uploads are allowed for distribution as digital downloads. It ensures that no one can distribute your download without authorization. Click Save to save your work. You just created a pricing rule and associated it with a digital download for your digital product. Another option you have is to configure digital promotions and discounts. You can choose to offer a promotion for your digital download. For example, with every purchase, you get 20% off the purchase price. Navigate to manage your digital product and select Promotion Rules section. 1. Click Create to add new promotion. 2. Click Edit next to promotion to edit existing promotion. There are a few simple steps to configure promotion rule. 1. In Configure section, select promotion rule type. 2. Give it a descriptive name, as it will appear on an order and an invoice. 3. Navigate to Conditions section to set up your promotion conditions. In our case, discount type is per unit, using percentage of 20% in dollars. 4. Click Save to save your work. To publish your digital product in your store, you have a few options. You can add your digital product, like any other product, to an existing or new category in your store or create a separate payment page to sell your digital products. For a detailed how to create a payment, watch a separate video in How to Catalog. To add our digital product to an existing category, navigate to Categories and select desired category, for example, Digital. Digital category is mapped to appear on the page called Our Store. Next, we will go through a purchase of our digital product. We will navigate to a home page of our store, select our store, and find our digital product. Click View to see produce details. Click Add to Cart to purchase a digital product. Click View Cart to complete a checkout. Our digital product is added along with a promotion we set up. Click Checkout to start a checkout process. Make sure billing address is selected. Click Continue. Choose Form of Payment and select Make Payment. Once checkout completed, you will be presented with an invoice. Depending on your digital product download rules, an email is generated with a link to a digital download. Customer can always navigate to their account to view their digital downloads. If you configured, a link to download a file will be available on a customer invoice. We will navigate to My Account, My Orders, Digital Downloads to see a list of purchased digital downloads. If customer lost an email with a digital download, he or she can access downloads here. Let's review how you can manage digital download orders. You can view, organize, and manage digital downloads purchases in your store. When digital download is purchased, a digital download record is created with an order information connected. A digital download can be managed by you and a customer. You can also export your digital downloads to a file for your reference. To view digital downloads, navigate to Omnicommerce, Manage Orders, Digital Downloads. To download the file, click Download button next to the file. If download expired or maximum number of downloads reached, button is not visible. To view digital download order, click Options drop-down next to the card and select Manage Order. To resend a download link, navigate to the list of downloads on a specific order under Invoice or from Digital Downloads. Find a download and click Send Email. An email with a link to download will be sent to customer. You can deactivate a customer's download link to prevent them from being able to download the product. Navigate to the list of downloads on a specific order under Invoice or from Digital Downloads. Find a download and click Cancel. If you want to reactivate a customer's ability to download a digital product, then return to the order page or Digital Downloads list and click Activate next to the download. You can export your digital downloads to a file to view their details in a spreadsheet. This can be useful for reviewing information about download orders. For many more options available with digital products, visit our Digital Products Help sections on help.omnibasis.com. There are many more features available with Omnicommerce to help you grow your business, like tax collection and compliance, shipping management, return management, recurring payment processing. We will cover them in details in other how-to videos. This concludes how to create, manage, and sell digital products and downloads with Omnibasis. Thank you for watching Omnibasis how-to videos. To keep up to date, subscribe to our channel. If you have more questions, visit help.omnibasis.com.